Wait, what the heck? This is a winter storm warning.
Sunday to 7 a.m.
Wait,
Monday.
hold on,
For
what?
the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield and Hocking.
This is a fail.
Heavy snow expected.
This is an
Total snow
extreme fail.
accumulations of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts.
This isn't right.
Thundery mixing with sleet or freezing rain is also possible, with little to no ice accumulation expected. Travel could be very difficult.
Incorrect.
The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute.
Incorrect
If
at
you
all.
must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/IL and as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm.
What is going on now? What happened?
Accumulations of 2 to 3 inches.
I just heard this from the basement.
Some mixing with sleet or freezing rain is also possible, with little to no ice accumulation expected.
When did this happen?
Plan on slippery road conditions.
Oh, I gotta stay up here.
Could impact the Monday morning commute.
Just a watch.
Slow down and use caution while traveling. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/IL and as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Sunday morning through Monday morning. For Perry, Jackson, and Vinton counties, heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches possible, with locally higher amounts up to 8 possible. A brief wintry mix is also possible Sunday afternoon. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could